In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can edit your timetable. To get to the screen known as your timetable, you will come up here to Lessons and choose Timetable. Timetable is just another word for your schedule. Once you are here, you can drag and drop to move your schedule around. You can add other classes, such as one that needs a lesson plan or one that does not need a lesson plan. You can change your times just like we set it up in the first video. If you click into it, it'll give you the option to change your time. You can do so by moving to different class periods with your drop down and set everything up the way that you want it done. Once you are finished, if you want to save your changes, make sure you come over here and click on Save Changes. It will tell you how many changes you made. To edit your classes, click on Classes. This right here is the list of all of the classes that we had created in that first video. We can add more by clicking on the plus sign. Again, you have the option of a class where you will have a lesson plan, a non-teaching class, or you can import your classes from Google Classroom. When you click on this button, it will prompt you to log into your Google account. And then once you have, you can choose any of the classes that you have created within Google Classroom to be put into your planner. What this does is it just creates a class by that name. This doesn't automatically share anything to the Google Classroom. You would still have to publish it like we talked about in the first video. But again, be mindful of that because anything that you have in your lesson plan will get shared to that class. If you wish to change up your class, whether it be the name, whether it be the period, what you can do is you can come here and you can click on this little icon right there. What this does is it lets you change up the color. Maybe you don't like that blue anymore and you want to go to purple. Maybe you don't want it to be period 1. Maybe you wish for it to be block 1. Whatever you want to do as far as the name is concerned, you can edit it right there. Do not worry about the Add a Curriculum map right now. Those have not been set up just yet. When they are, we will talk about how to attach them so that you have them connected to your lesson plan. You can also go ahead and set up your standards right here. We set them up in the previous video as we were doing our lesson plan, but you can do it ahead of time. And then that way, every time that you go in to do your plan and you go to select your standards, it's going to pull from this specific standard set. When you are finished, click Save. Since I had already set my standards for both my math and my science class, let's go into the social studies class and set the standards. Click on Add Standards. And then again, we will need to select United States, Louisiana, the subject we are teaching, and the grade level we are going to teach. From here, you will see there are 3 standard sets. You can preview them to make sure that they are the correct ones. If they're not, close preview and look at another. If they are, select. Now, anytime you click into this specific class, that standard set will be there for you to choose from. In our next video, we will take a look at how to set up a rotating class schedule.